My name is Tiffany. Welcome to Tiffany Joyce Homes. Today I'm trying out a hardwood floor revamp that I found on the Brended blog. Right here I'm just cleaning up the floors and I'm Swiffering them and sweeping them in order to get all of the residue off of the floors to begin with. I'm not 100% natural cleaning yet because I've just started this journey, so I do still use a Swiffer, but I would love any other natural remedies for cleaning my hardwood floors on more of a daily basis. So this mixture here that I'm using is composed of olive oil, water, vinegar, and essential oils. So on the blog, it said that you wouldn't need that much of it. I found that my floors really drank this solution up. They were really using a lot of it to just get a small area, so I actually ended up needing to make a little bit more, but I really liked this remedy.
Read books, he writes stories. He's so calm when I'm angry, and I'm not sure what he sees in me. Won't tell him what I'm thinking. I wonder what he's thinking when he lies in bed, 'cause when I wake up he's in my head, and I'm thinking, in a few years' time, will I still be yours? Will you still be mine? 'Cause we can't build our walls unless you knock down yours. So let me in.
So let me in. So let me in. So let me in.
So I'll add this blog post to the description down at the bottom. This is one of my first videos, so I would love any feedback that you guys have to offer. Yeah, and if you like this video, feel free to like it and subscribe to my channel if you want. As I said, I'm just starting out. I haven't exactly figured out what my style is yet. And here you'll see a comparison between, on the right is after the remedy and on the left is still before. So you can see that afterwards the floors really shine a lot better. I do rent my apartment, so I didn't see a point in refinishing the floors, so using this remedy was really helpful. And here I'm just doing a little bit of redecorating. I found this really cool antique picture of the golf course that my fiance and I live on. I found it back in a closet somewhere. We live in the middle of a course where all of the assistant superintendents live and have lived throughout the years. I'm not exactly sure who this image came from, but I'm really excited to dust it off and hang it up and kind of try and get a little bit more of an antique vibe in our apartment.
Those hardest to love need it most. I watched our bodies turn to ghosts. Such good friends, it has to end, it always does. That's the way life is. Do we take that risk? And so it all boils down to this. We've got our aim, but we might miss. We are too fragile just to guess. And I've been in this place before, fine as we are, but we want more. That's human nature at its best. What if we ruin it all and we love like fools? And all we have, we lose. And I don't want you to go, but I want you so. So tell me what we choose. I watched us as we changed. The feelings in my headspace rearranged. I want you more than I've wanted anyone. Isn't that dangerous? The anticipation before the kiss mirrored in my shaking lips. Oh God, I feel so unprepared. The two of us so out of place. My feelings written on my face. Got what I want, but now I'm scared. What if we ruin it all and we love like fools and do?
Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.